Diseases such as leprosy are interpreted. Diseases such as leprosy are interpreted as being punishment. Leprosy, leprosy, leprosy are interpreted as being punishment from from one's ONE''S from one's past sins. Past, past. From one's past sins. Past, past. From one's past sins in some cultures. Past sins in some cultures. Past sins in some cultures. Full stop. Although although primitive man may be extinct, EXTINCT, although primitive man may be extinct,
Ma'am, primitive man
may be extinct, EXTINCT, extinct. May be extinct, comma, his progeny PROGENY, his progeny, the so-called SOCALLED, the so-called traditional healers,
Ma'am, traditional
the so-called traditional healers, HEALERS, the traditional healers are found everywhere. Traditional healers are found everywhere. Traditional healers are the person who used to, like many people, they still go to the pujaris for Fukmar and all, they used to go, na? So all these are the traditional healers. Okay, they try to heal by some kind of mantras or by what they used to say, I don't know. Okay, so in different customs, all these things are still present, and they also still believe. Although the primitive man, they doesn't exist anymore. Extinct means what? They no longer exist. Okay, they are already dead. The primitive people now at this 21st century, you won't get any primitive people. The Stone Age people you won't get now. But whatever they believe, the traditions they followed are still believed, and it's being following till today. It's being followed till today. Understand? In many cultures of, like for example, it has been given in India, like if there is any kind of snake bite, they believe that if you go to a pujari, then by speaking the mantras, the snake bite will be cured. They still believe it. Okay, till today, many people, they still go. Again, they also believe that leprosy. Okay, leprosy, you have heard now, all the skin will rash, and the nerve, there will be nerve damage. So in leprosy, they still believe that it's because of their past sins. Okay, because of the past sins, the wrath of God has come on that person, because of which the person is still suffering from this deadly disease. Okay, so all these kind of beliefs, all these kind of taboos are still believed in many parts of the world. Understand? So this is about your primitive medicine. Did you get it? Did you understand, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number B, you write down Indian medicine. Indian, INDIAN, Indian medicine. Indian medicine, put a dash. The medical systems that are truly Indian, the medical systems that are truly Indian, the medical systems that are truly Indian, the medical systems that are truly Indian in origin, truly Indian in origin and development, truly Indian in origin and development are the Ayurveda. These are truly Indian origin. Okay, it was originated in India. So Indian in origin and development are the Ayurveda, 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 and the Siddha system, and the Siddha, S capital SIDDHA, Siddha, and the Siddha systems. Full stop. Ayurveda is practiced. Ayurveda is practiced. Ayurveda is practiced. Ayurveda is practiced throughout India. Ayurveda is practiced throughout India, comma, but the Siddha system is practiced in the Tamil speaking areas. Is practiced in the Tamil speaking areas of South India. Tamil speaking areas of South India.
The system is practiced.
Is practiced in the Tamil speaking areas of South India. Okay, I'll finish it now. Okay, thank you so much. I will take it in my next class. Okay, it is not complete. Okay, we'll complete the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You, ma'am.